got a severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania, issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania.
Right, I know.
At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mont Hill, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts that will drive hail. Source, radar images. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owensville, Quincy, Gettysburg National Military Park, Chambersburg, Bonneville, Heidlersburg, Weiglerville, Gettysburg, Guilford, McKnighttown, Hunterstown, and Gettysburg College. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 5 to 19. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of eastern West Virginia.
Alright, well, that's our sudden severe thunderstorm warning. Alright, gonna get that uploaded, and yeah. Alright, Frederick County WX signing out.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northwest of Leesylvania State Park to 19 nautical miles west of Quantico to 24 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Potomac Creek, Breton Bay, Nanjanoy Creek, Smallwood State Park, Quantico, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. George Island, Occoquan Bay, Post Creek, St. Clement Bay, Piney Point, mouth of the Potomac River, Maryland Point, Port Tobacco River, Colonial Beach, Leesylvania State Park, Cobb Island, and Miller's Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather.
Probably for gusty showers and gusty winds conditions. That's probably talking about on there. Alright, there could maybe or may not be another SPR. There could maybe or maybe not be another special marine warning. But honestly, for a day, which actually, for the areas where the special marine warnings are going from, they're not even forecasted to be in any sort of risk. So, pretty interesting. Alright. Frederick County WX signing out.